This is a Bing Wolf Corporation 2-cylinder steam engine, electrically heated. It was located at 215 4th Avenue and operated in the late 20s and probably ended in 1929 due to the Depression. Made at the Bing factory, made for American specifications for the American market, electrically heated. Speeding up now, let's move in. Speeding up nicely there. Let's turn it to the side 90 degrees. Let's go a little bit farther. Let's turn it back. Let's go the other way. I was quite amazed when I found out the electrical heater worked. This is the best spot. So let's let it spool up and enjoy the sounds. That's full speed. This is a wet motor, that's for sure. Here it goes. Not a very good whistle. Maybe you could be tuned. All right, runs pretty well. I'm enjoying it. Okay, Bing Wolf Corporation 2-cylinder steam engine. This is the video. Put it in the books. Over and out.